To find if the pairs are a solution to the two equations, we're going to take the pair and substitute the values of x and y into each equation. To begin, we're going to substitute 0.6 for a value for x in the first equation, minus 2, the value of y is negative 0.2, equal to 2.2 in our first equation. And that will give us 1.8 plus 0.4 equal to 2.2. So 1.8 plus 0.4 will give us 2.2 is equal to 2.2. So it is a solution to the first equation, but we still have to substitute it into the second equation. So 5 times 0.6 plus negative 0.2 equal to 2.8. 5 times 0.6 will give us 3.0 minus 0.2, 2.8, and 3 minus 0.2 will give us 2.8 is equal to 2.8. So it's also a solution in the second equation, so therefore, because it is a solution in the first and in the second, we can conclude that 0.6 and negative 0.2 is a solution. Now we should go through just to make sure that there aren't any other solutions given the pairs that we had. So we're going to go to our next one. So we're going to substitute 3, negative 0.6, negative 2 times negative 0.2 equal to 2.2. And that will give us a negative 1.8 plus 0.4 equal to 2.2. That would give us a negative 1.4, which is not equal to 2.2. So by the first equation, not being a solution to the first one, it doesn't matter if it's a solution to the second one. So we can just conclude that that pair is not a solution. Going on to our third and fourth pair. So we're going to substitute in the first equation again. So 3 times 0.2 minus 2, 0.2 equal to 2.2. And that would give us 0.6 minus 0.4 equal to 2.2. So 0.6 minus 0.4 would give us a 0.2, which is not equal to 2.2. So therefore, as soon as the first equation, it does not fit that. It is not a solution to the system. And going on to the very last pair that we have, into 3 times 0.6 minus 2 multiplied by negative 0.6 equal to 2.2. And that would give us 1.8 plus 1.2 equal to 2.2, and 1.8 and 1.2 would give us 3.0, and that is not equal to 2.2. So therefore, we can conclude that the 0.6 and negative 0.6 is not a solution to the system, since it is not a solution to the first equation.